I'm Anil Kumar, and here are 6 questions for you to factor. These are trinomials of the form ax square plus bx plus c. You need to apply the technique of sum and product to factor these trinomials. So you can pause the video, copy these questions and factor. I'll provide you with these solutions also. In this video, I'll give you solution for part A and B. In the following videos, you can see solution for rest of the questions. So the first one here is 2x square plus 7x plus 6. What do we need to find is two numbers, let us say P and Q, whose product is 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12, and whose sum should be 7. So this is what we need. So as you know, the two numbers could be 4 and 3, right? So the two numbers could be 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So these are the critical numbers which can help us to factor this trinomial. So the next step is to write 7x as sum of 4 and 3. So we can write this trinomial as 2x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 6. Now we can factor 2x from the first two terms. So it would be 2x, x plus 2. From the next two terms we can factor 3. So we get 3 times x plus 2. X plus 2 is a common factor. So we can write x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. So these are the steps involved to factor trinomials where the leading coefficient is greater than 1, right? We'll follow the same technique and factor the next one. 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. So 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. So what are we looking for? Product of two numbers should be how much? 6 times minus 4. So it is negative 24. And the sum of the two numbers should be positive 5. Positive 5. So sum has to be positive 5. Product is negative 24. That means one of the numbers is negative, the other one is positive. Positive number is greater than negative number. Numbers are 8 and minus 3. So when you do 8 minus 3, you get 5. And when you multiply 8 with minus 3, you get minus 24, right? So that is the strategy. So we can write this trinomial as 6x squared plus 8x minus 3x. That is how we can write 5x as 8x minus 3x, right? Now, in the first two terms, what is common? 2x is common. We are left with 3x plus 4. And here we can take minus common. So we get 3x plus 4. Note, every time you will get the common factor. If not, you've done a mistake. For example, here, when you take minus common, you have to change this sign. Remember that. So now we have 3x plus 4 as common factor between these two terms, and we get 2x from the first term minus 1 from the next. So that is how you are going to factor this, right? So I hope that helps you to understand how to factor such trinomials.